Top 5 Best Mechanical Keyboard RGB 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. AULA F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. What if your keyboard could feel like a custom-built dream without the DIY hassle? Meet the AULA F75 Pro, a 75% wireless mechanical keyboard that punches far above its weight. With hot-swappable Reaper switches, pre-lubed for buttery smoothness, side-printed PBT keycaps that won't fade, and vibrant RGB backlighting, it delivers premium typing and gaming performance right out of the box. The tactile knob adds instant control for volume or brightness, no software needed. Connect via 2.4 GHz for lag-free gaming, Bluetooth 5.0 for multi-device ease, or USB-C for wired reliability. Compared to bulkier full-size boards, the F75 Pro saves desk space without sacrificing functionality. Perfect for creators, coders, and competitive gamers who crave responsiveness and style. It's not just responsive, it's rewarding to use. While RGB effects are stunning, customization requires manual tweaking. For a plug-and-play powerhouse that blends form, function, and flair, the AULA F75 Pro is a standout. Number 4. Redragon K565 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with RGB Backlit. Ever feel like your keyboard's holding back your game? Meet the Redragon K565, built for speed, style, and serious performance. With crisp red mechanical switches, every keystroke is smooth, quiet, and lightning fast, perfect for gaming or typing marathons. The full RGB backlighting isn't just flashy, it's customizable per key, so you can match your setup or highlight crucial commands. Crafted with a durable aluminum frame, this wired keyboard laughs at spills and heavy use. Fully programmable keys let you create macros on the fly, ideal for streamers, coders, or competitive gamers. Anti-ghosting ensures every press registers, even during intense combos. Whether you're grinding ranked matches or crushing deadlines, the K565 delivers precision without compromise. It's sleek, responsive, and built to last. Sure, it's not wireless, but that means zero lag and rock-solid reliability. If you want pro-level feel without the premium price tag, this is your board. Number 3. RK Royal Kludge S108 Retro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with RGB backlight and detachable wrist rest. Hook. Ever typed on a keyboard that feels like it remembers every word you've ever written? The RK Royal Kludge S108 isn't just a mechanical keyboard, it's a retro-inspired powerhouse. With 108 full-sized keys, tactile blue switches, and vibrant RGB sidelight glow, it turns typing into a sensory experience. The detachable wrist rest adds comfort during long gaming or writing sessions, while round keycaps deliver that nostalgic typewriter charm without sacrificing modern precision. Compared to bulkier rivals, the S108 balances style and function effortlessly, ideal for gamers, writers, or creatives craving tactile feedback and visual flair. Whether you're drafting novels or dominating headshots, this wired gem responds with satisfying clicks and smooth keystrokes. It's built to inspire focus, spark joy, and make every keystroke feel intentional. Minor learning curve for RGB customization? Sure. But once you sync its glow to your rhythm, there's no going back. Pure typing bliss. Number 2. Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with hot-swappable red switches and 11 backlit modes. What if your keyboard could keep up with your fastest keystrokes and look like a sci-fi command center? Meet the Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, a wired powerhouse built for serious gamers and productivity warriors alike. With 11 programmable backlit modes, it transforms your desk into a personalized light show that's as functional as it's flashy. Hot-swappable red switches mean you can customize your typing feel without soldering, smooth, quiet, and responsive. Anti-ghosting ensures every keypress registers, even during intense gaming marathons. The double-shot PBT keycaps resist shine and wear, staying crisp for years. Compared to flimsier membrane boards, this one delivers tactile precision and durability. Whether you're crushing headshots or drafting late-night emails, it's built to perform. It's not just a tool, it's your daily companion. While it lacks wireless freedom, the rock-solid connection and premium build more than compensate. For anyone who values speed, style, and reliability, this keyboard delivers. Number 1. Corsair K100 RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Hook. Ever typed on a keyboard that feels like it's reading your mind? The Corsair K100 RGB isn't just another mechanical keyboard, it's built for speed, precision, and serious performance. With Cherry MX Speed Silver switches, every keystroke registers faster than standard reds, perfect for gaming or high-speed typing. Double-shot PBT keycaps resist shine and wear, staying crisp for years. The sleek black design glows with dynamic RGB lighting, fully customizable via ICE, and it even plays nice with your Elgato Stream Deck for seamless streaming control. Ideal for competitive gamers, content creators, and power users who demand responsiveness and durability, the K100 delivers a premium tactile experience. Whether you're crushing headshots or editing streams late into the night, this keyboard keeps up, without lag, without compromise. It's not the most compact option, but if you want top-tier build quality and lightning-fast input, the K100 stands in a league of its own. Thanks for watching Best Mechanical Keyboard RGB. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.